Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find and restore deleted voice memos in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start our video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on voice memos app. Now here click on back icon. Now here if you want to restore deleted voice memos, so click on recently deleted. Now here you will choose the recording you will restore, so click on recording, click on edit icon. Now here click on recording, click on recover recording. Your recording is recovered. You will see. So that's how you can find and restore deleted voice memos in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.